Depending on whether you're running a water supply line, a drain line, or gas line, there are specific pipes for each application, typically made of plastic or metal. Also, plumbing pipe size requirements vary, so before starting your project, check the local code requirements in your area. If you're shopping for pipe for water supply lines, there are a number of options. PVC is the most widely used pipe for plumbing and drainage. There's CPVC plastic, which is similarly used in homes for hot and cold water lines, but can withstand higher temperatures. PEX tubing is also good for water lines, and it's flexible, cost-effective, and relatively easy to install. You can also use copper, which comes in two types: M for most home uses, and the heavier-duty L for underground and other applications. For drain, waste, or venting, PVC plastic pipe and ABS serve similar functions but differ in color and how they are joined. PVC is white and requires a primer as well as cement. ABS is black and requires only cement when joined. Cast iron, which is strong and highly durable, is another option. If you're installing or replacing gas lines, black malleable iron pipe is typically used when piping natural or propane gas from the street or a tank to your home. And there are several types of copper pipe that could be used for this application. Don't forget, you'll also need tools and materials like tube cutters, cement, and hangers. For more detailed information about this and many other popular tools and products, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.